Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and well, look what I have here. Yeah, this is an unboxing, but as you can tell, they are unboxed, unbagged, unpackaged. Yeah, so I did the whole video, and partway through the video I realized my phone was dying, and so I plugged it into the charger to charge. When I did that, it developed this horrible hum, and I was just like, okay, we can't have that. That's obnoxious. And I couldn't figure out, I tried to maybe overlay it with music, but like that didn't take care of it. No. My editor is not fancy. I could not figure out how to just clip the sound out. It doesn't do that. So we're gonna show you these paintings this way. All right, there you have it. Sometimes you do what you gotta do. Okay, so it's from Everydayecrafts, and I was super excited when I opened these up. My excitement was like over the roof. I was giddy, actually giddy, because of this. Owls, hello. You know my owl family, they've got to be the cutesy owls. They got to be the ones with the big eyes, and they got to have a certain look to them to fit into the family. But look at this little guy. He's a 30 by 30 with 11 different shapes on him. Isn't it adorable? I like that it's got a printed background. Look, he's kind of like in a city. He's got buildings behind him. Can you see the buildings behind him? And he's sitting on his branch, just overlooking the night sky in the city. Super cute, right? All right, let's look at drills. Yep, I already had them all packaged and put away. Oh, put in my box of special drills just ready for August. Smashing those specials. So we'll do it again. All right, so we get a wide variety of pink rhinestones. Pink, some green, purple, golden yellow. We have these red teardrops, or reddish orange color. No, those are marquee. Excuse me, those are marquee. These are teardrops, iridescent teardrops. Some smooth blue and some smooth green. And then these are beautiful. These are gorgeous right here. Those are actually going to make his claws. You guys, look. Those are going to be his claws. So we don't have just those orange, the orange ones. I get kind of tired of the orange ones. I like that they have something different. Yay. So that's the first one I got. All right, on to number two. This is the one that caught my eye. And I went, yes, please. Okay, you got to go the other way. This one. This was the one. Isn't she adorable? Look at, she is so adorable. I mean, look at the polka dots printed on the background, the flowers. I fell in love with her. She's so stinking cute. And look, she's gonna have a lot of specials around these flowers, her feet, her claws around these flowers, all up in her hair. Look at all the specials. So that's what I really liked about her. She's got a lot of special drills. It's not just a bunch of rhinestones. I think half of them are special drills. Yeah, there's 10 shapes. Half of them are specials. That is true. All right, let's show you what we got. I can hardly wait. Oh, look. And then we have an AB. Let's start with a blue AB. Okay, yes, please, blue AB. I'll take it all day long, right? We got a green, another blue, and a couple of purples, light purples. Then we have some pearls. We have this orangish red marquee, a purple marquee, a blue marquee, and look at those. Bright pink magenta. Yay for the centers of the flowers. Beautiful. Love it. Isn't she cute? Do you not just love her? Isn't she gorgeous? She's adorable. Try not to say that other word that starts with a C as much. You guys are starting to say it now. So we're in bird mode here. We're definitely in bird mode. Let's put a toucan in the mix. A toucan. Now he's a lot of rhinestones. This is all rhinestone. I get some specials here. He's a lot of rhinestones. Anyhow, look at the colors though. Look at the beautiful colors. All right, if I can open this back up, I'll show you. 12 different colors, shapes, thing. Oh yeah, I remember this now. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll look at the rhinestones first. That's like a smoke color. Smoke. The gold, the pink, a blue, an orange, a very light purple, a couple more greens. And look at, we have these cute little pink marquee. Aren't those cute? Super cute. All right, I'm going to check this out a little closer this time because now that I remember these are here, you got to see these. Okay, we got some yellow. And look at that. We have a gold squares. I mean, how often do you see something like that? And we have some blue. But where do those gold squares go? Where are the gold squares? Oh, look, right here are a couple gold squares. Where else? Where else? Up here, there's some gold squares right here. See any more? Any more, any more, any more. Those are the only ones I see right now. Oh, and around this flower right here, we got gold squares. Aren't they cool though? I mean, anytime I find a new shape or something, it's so exciting. So exciting. All right. So here's the next one. We have 2 hummingbirds. Look at that. I thought that was really cool because of this border around the outside. These big X's around the outside. I thought that was neat, right? There's very little white. I mean, you got a little white, and it's not, yeah, it is white. A little white background behind them, but other than that, it's pretty filled with color. I loved it, the 2 hummingbirds and their hibiscus flowers. Yeah, love it. Pretty, pretty. All right, so look at each of these X's is going to get some sort of a round special drill, and we got some special drills in the centers of the flowers, even in their tail. That one has some in its tail. Oh, that one gets some in it wings. Nice. All right, I'll show you what comes with it. We have a clear, couple of pinks, a few greens. Oh yeah, these are the ones that look like powdery inside, which I'm not happy with. A blue, a purple, a gold. We got a pink. This is smooth. This is not faceted. That's smooth. That's faceted. That's faceted in AB. And there's the blue centers for all of those X's. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this powdery, like dusty stuff inside. And I don't know if they do that intentionally, trying to make them less staticky or something, but I'm not a fan. We'll see what we do with that. And then here's the last one. Look it. Just look it, right? Told you it's the bird series. It's all birds, right? But look at that one. Love, love, love the printed backgrounds. I am so happy that they're doing that. This one has 11 different stones, shapes, colors, drills. Bunch of specials around here and around the center of the flower. Look at the belly. That belly is going to be all special drills. Those are larger than rhinestones. And then around this flower, love it. I can hardly wait. It's just a couple weeks and it's smashing the specials, you guys, in August. And yeah, these are definitely near the top of my list. We'll see how many I can get done. All right, now look at these. Look really, really nice. Look how bright and clear these are. Look, right? Nice, bright, shiny rhinestones. No powdery in them. I love that. I have to like wash those other ones. I've never washed drills, you guys, never. There's her belly. It's very light champagne-y color. That's her belly. Gold, Oh, I love these. Absolutely love those. The snowflake looking ones. Love those. That's going to be those petals here, right? Or on the outside. And what else do we have? We had some other stuff in here. Oh, we have one bag of pink like this. Just, I don't know why, but it's like that. But aren't they cute? They're so cute. Well, I'll tell you what, it saves some time when they're unbagged for you, right? Because I don't have to take them out of the bags and unfold them and all that stuff. It's a little quicker, but anyhow, you still got to see them, and they are so cute. There's that word, cute. I said it just once, though. All right. I will link them below, Everydayecrafts. Thank you so much for sending those. You guys, they just keep coming out with the neatest little projects and fun little things, and I'm just addicted to all of the fun special shape stuff. I just can't help myself. I can't help myself. I know I haven't sung in a while. I thought I'd sing for you. All right, I'm gonna put this away again. I'll put it in the box and they'll be ready for, let's see, it is the 15th. I mean, we got like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. All right, let's roll. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. And thank you for supporting the channel. The channel. I did it again. I don't like that. I don't like saying the channel. Thank you for supporting me. You support me, not a channel, really, you know. Anyhow, thank you so much. And I will talk to you guys soon. All right? Okay. Bye.